Alright, hey everybody. Welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today, I'm really excited about this video. We're gonna do cheese manicotti. I found these at my local butcher block, and I was really surprised that they carry them. They have manicotti and ravioli, so I picked up a box of cheese manicotti. I'm gonna do this first, and it's by Pastosa. Brooklyn tradition since 1966. This is what the box looks like. Can't wait to try this. Let's go make some cheese manicotti. And this is what they look like in the box, wrapped in the cellophane before we cook them. Here we go, unwrapped and ready to go into the sauce and ready to be baked. So my uncle owned a restaurant down in Phoenix, Arizona back in the 90s. So he had manicotti on his menu, on his lunch menu. So what he did it a little different. When you order manicotti, you get serving like 2 tubes and it would be in the red sauce. But what he did to make it more fun and more interesting for people, he would do one in the red sauce and he would do the other in the white sauce. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do one in red sauce and one in white sauce. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. Stay with me. Let's go to the next step. So the bottom of the dish looks like this. We got the red sauce on top and white sauce on the bottom. Now we're gonna add the manicotti into the dish. Here's the first one into the white sauce. Here comes the second one in the red sauce. And now we're going to cover it. This one with white sauce, this one with red sauce. Here comes the sauce on top. Don't be afraid of it. And we are ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to put the cheese on top, melt the cheese for a couple of minutes, and we are good to eat. All right, here we go. I'll pull this out, see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. It looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put cheese on it. Got the cheese on it. I'm gonna send it back in. Another 4 or 5 minutes, melt the cheese. Let's pull this out, see what it looks like. It looks really good. Yeah, I like it. It looks good. Here we go, guys. Cheese manicotti. Red and white sauce. We're gonna make it fun. We're gonna make it tasty. And now it's time to eat. Here we go, guys. Cheese manicotti. All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut into one. Ooh, look how nice that is. Wow. Cut the tomato one too. Whew. Nice. Tastes beautiful. Whew. Oh yeah, look at that. How beautiful that is. Nice. Wow. Beautiful. All right, I'm done with my cheese manicotti. But took about half hour, 30 minutes total cook time, and they came out hot and delicious. Hot and delicious. So this is going to be the tomato one. I'm going to do this one first. See how it turns out. Hold on, I lost the filling. Hold on. There it is. There it is. Gonna go in for the bite. Outstanding. So good. Oh, the cheese filling, amazing. The shell, soft, melts in your mouth. Let's do the white side. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how nice that is. Look at that. Look at that. Smoking hot. Wow. Smoking, piping hot. I overestimated how hot I can take it. This is 5 out of 5, guys. Whoever makes these, you are the star, sir. This is outstanding. Ah, so good, so tasty. Now I can't decide which one I like better, in tomato sauce or the white sauce. But the point of it is, either way, you can't go wrong. It's delicious. It's delicious. Wow. Look at this. Look how good this looks. So good. Whew. Wow. I got nothing else to say. 5 out of 5. 5+ out of 5. These manicotti, you can eat them as lunch. You can eat them as a side dish. Delicious. Just delicious, man. It doesn't get any better than that. As far as manicotti, you can't make them any better than this. 5 out of 5. Thank you guys for tuning in to Parks and Pizza. I'll see you in the next video.